We're gonna blast this thing. Here they come, guys. Here's my neighbor again, Jinx, famous YouTuber.
Throwing away expired candy.
Oh, cool. Just got my new ear horn yesterday.
I see.
Did you hear that?
I did, I heard it.
I was honking at people. I was like, I just saw the neighbors walking by and running by.
Yeah.
So I honked at them for a prank.
I hear you.
Alright. Wow, you gave it away candy. Oh, you threw all your candies away?
Yeah, because that went out October. The end of the month.
Yeah.
Yep.
I guess they're all down.
They're still good though.
Yeah.
They're still good. See?
Yep.
Look.
Oh,
Try one.
I'm good.
Try one. It's good. I'll be one. Look. Tastes like candy. Here. You'll like them. They taste like sugar.
That's good.
That's good, right? You want a bag?
I'm good.
Here, have a bag. They're still good. Ain't nothing wrong with them, huh?
Alright.
Nothing at all. I just can't sell them in the store because they went out.
Oh, I see.
Let's see what's in this one.
Oh. Wow. They're old, huh?
Mine are 20, not mine. They went out in September. Those went out in September. Those sour gummy worms. Yeah. That's what I got to do with it whenever it goes out of the date. I can't have it in the store.
Oh,
So
I
I
see.
gotta buy it back and then I just try to get rid of it or I throw it away.
Yep.
So now everybody knows what I do for a living.
Yep.
I sell candy.
Yep.
You can find my candy in Kroger and Walmart grocery stores.
Ha ha. Ha ha.
We got 2 more to get. get rid of that other stuff too.
Yep. Alright, well, I might have to go now, so
What are you gonna do today?
I might just watch TV.
Watch TV.
Yep. Alright.
Nice outside.
Yep.
Why don't you stay outside and play?
Well, I used to sometimes, but alright, well, I have to go now, so bye, James. Love you so much. See you later. He's my best neighbor. Alright, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I will see you in the next one. Love you all so much. And stay tuned for the next video. Until next time, peace out.